Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Talks. I'm so happy you're here with the English Speaking and Listening Club. Today we are asking a big, beautiful question. What is love? Maybe you are in love. Maybe you just had a breakup. Maybe you are single and curious. Maybe you want to understand your family, your friends, or yourself. Wherever you are, this talk is for you. We will keep the language simple. We will use clear examples. We will practice useful phrases you can speak out loud, and we will finish with steps you can use today. Take a slow breath in and a slow breath out. Let's begin. Love is not only a feeling. Love is a choice, a practice, and a way of living. Feelings can change. A choice can stay. Love grows when we act with care, respect, responsibility, honesty, and joy. Love is not perfect. Love is not always easy. But love is worth building because it makes life rich and full. Think of love as a verb, not I love you only in words, but I love you in action. I listen, I show up, I tell the truth, I protect, I celebrate, I apologize, I try again. There are many kinds of love. Romantic love is one kind, family love is another, friendship is love too. Self-love is the base of all love, because if you cannot be kind to yourself, it is hard to be kind to others. There is also love for your community, your pets, your work, and your planet. When we say, I want love, we should ask, which kind? Each kind has its own shape, its own rhythm, and its own needs. When you know the kind of love you want to build, you can choose the right actions. Let me tell you a story. A woman named Lena fell in love with a man named Omar. The first months were like fireworks. Everything felt fast and exciting. They texted all night. They laughed all day. After 6 months, the fireworks became quiet. Work was busy. They had small fights. They worried. Maybe the love is gone. But the love was not gone. The honeymoon feeling was gone. This is normal. They decided to learn how to love on purpose. They made one small plan. Every evening they sat for 10 minutes with no phones. They asked 3 questions. What was good today? What was hard? How can I support you tomorrow? In 2 weeks, the fights became softer. In 2 months, their trust grew. The lesson is simple. First, love feels like a gift. Later, love becomes a craft. You can learn the craft. Love is not control. It is not jealousy dressed as care. It is not pain with sweet words on top. It is not a game where someone must lose. Real love protects your dignity. Real love respects your yes and your no. Real love is not perfect every day, but it is safe most days. If a relationship hurts your body, your heart, or your mind again and again, that is not love. That is a wound. Please get help and step away. You deserve safety. You deserve respect. You deserve peace. Sometimes we confuse chemistry with love. Chemistry is the spark. Chemistry is the smile, the butterflies, the heartbeat. Chemistry is fun, but chemistry alone is not enough. Love includes character and commitment. Character means the person is kind, honest, and responsible. Commitment means they keep their promises even on boring days. Ask yourself 3 questions. Do I feel safe with this person? Do we help each other grow? Do our actions match our words? If yes, the spark can become a steady flame. Here's another story. Marco moved to a new city for work. He felt lonely. He decided to build friendships on purpose. He invited a coworker, Rena, to a weekend coffee. They talked about music and family. He listened with care. He remembered her birthday. When she was sick, he sent soup. When he needed to move apartments, she helped. After a year, they were close friends. This is love too. It is not romantic, but it is strong. It is everyday kindness, shared history, and trust. Let's talk about self-love. Some people think self-love is selfish. It is not. Self-love is basic care. It is the way you talk to yourself. It is the way you feed your body, rest your mind, use your time, and protect your energy. Self-love sounds like this. I am not perfect and I am still worthy. I made a mistake and I can learn. I need rest and I will rest. When you practice self-love, you do not demand that other people fill your empty cup. You bring a full heart to your relationships. That makes love easier and lighter. Now I want to give you simple language tools. These are short sentences you can use in any relationship. They help you speak love clearly. Listen to me first and then repeat out loud. I feel happy when you spend time with me. I feel calm when you listen to me carefully. I feel close to you when we cook or walk together. I feel respected when you ask before you touch my body. I feel loved when you remember small things about me. These sentences are not poetry. They are clear signals. They tell the other person how to love you well. There is also a strong tool for conflict. It is simple and powerful. First you say how you feel. Then you say what happened. Then you say what you need. It sounds like this. I feel hurt when you cancel plans at the last minute. I need you to tell me earlier or to choose a time you can keep. Or like this. I feel worried when you drive fast. I need you to slow down when I am in the car. Speak slowly. Keep your voice calm. Attack the problem, not the person. This is love in action. People give and receive love in different ways. Some people love words. They feel good when you say, I appreciate you, or you did a great job. Some people love time. They feel good when you sit with them, put away your phone, and give full attention. Some people love gifts, even small ones like a note or a flower. Some people love help, like washing dishes or fixing something. Some people love touch, like a hug or holding hands. Think about yourself. What makes you feel loved? Think about the people you care about. What makes them feel loved? Ask them. Say, how can I love you better? This question is simple, and it can change a relationship. Let's do a tiny practice you can try today. Close your eyes for a moment and think of one person you care about. See their face. Now ask yourself, what is one small thing I can do for them in the next 24 hours? Maybe you can send a voice message. Hey, I'm thinking of you. Thank you for being in my life. Maybe you can make tea for your partner. Maybe you can help your mother with a task. Love grows in small actions. Do one small action today, not later. Today. I also want to talk about listening because listening is love. To listen is to give your full attention. It is to be present with someone's feelings. Listening is not waiting to speak. Listening is not fixing every problem. Listening is saying with your body and your eyes, I am here with you. Here is a simple listening ritual you can use with a partner or friend. Set a timer for 5 minutes. One person speaks, the other person listens. No phones, no interruptions. When the timer rings, switch. At the end, say, thank you for telling me. I hear you. Do this 3 times a week. Your connection will grow strong. Sometimes our love story includes pain. Maybe someone broke your trust. Maybe you broke someone's trust.
Maybe you lost a person you love.
When your heart is heavy, it is easy to turn cold. It is easy to say, I will never love again. But remember this, love is not the same as that one person or that one chapter. Love is larger. Give yourself time to heal. Cry. Write your feelings. Talk to a friend or a counselor. Treat yourself with care. After some time, try again. Not with the same person if it is unhealthy, but with the world, with family, with friends, with community, with yourself. Your heart can heal. Your heart can learn. Your heart can love again. Let me share a healing story. After a breakup, a woman named Sarah felt empty. She decided to build a 30-day love plan for herself. Every morning she said one kind sentence to herself. I am learning. I am worthy. I am enough. Every day, she did one kind action for her body. A walk, a stretch, good food, or early sleep. Every week she met one friend for tea. She also chose one small skill to learn, playing guitar for 10 minutes a day. After a month, her world was brighter. She still missed the relationship, but she felt stronger. She rebuilt love from the inside. You can do this too. Boundaries are part of love. A boundary is a clear line that protects your health and values. Love without boundaries becomes fear or control. Love with boundaries becomes trust and freedom. Practice simple boundary sentences. Say, I care about you and I need some quiet time after work. Say, I want to help and I can do it on Saturday, not today. Say, I want to hear you and I will not stay if you shout at me. Boundaries are not punishment. They are instructions for respect. For English learners in our club, here are phrases to use in daily life. You can repeat them after me. I appreciate you. I'm grateful for you. I like you just as you are. I miss you. I'm proud of you. I'm sorry for my mistake. Please forgive me. Thank you for your patience. I need some time alone. Can we talk about this later? I want to understand you. Help me see your point of view. When you speak these phrases slowly and kindly, you build bridges. You make love clear. Now let's talk about online love and social media. The internet is a big place. It can bring people together, but it can also create confusion. Remember this, what you see online is not the whole story. Do not compare your real life to someone's highlight reel. Protect your privacy. Do not rush intimacy with a stranger. Meet in public places. Tell a friend where you are. Take your time to learn someone's character. Ask good questions. What do you value? How do you handle stress? How do you apologize? The right person will not hurry you. The right person will respect your pace. Here's a small daily plan to build love in your life. In the morning, start with yourself. Put your hand on your heart and say, good morning. I will be kind to you today. Drink water. See the sun. Move your body for a few minutes. Send one message to someone you care about. A thank you, a memory, or a joke. During the day, practice one act of service. Open a door, pick up trash, help a colleague, call your parents. In the evening, turn off your phone for a short time. Talk to someone face to face. Ask, what was a good moment today? Listen fully. Before sleep, write one sentence of gratitude. These small actions change the air around you. They teach your heart to love well. Let's also include a 7-day love challenge you can start this week. On day 1, write a letter to yourself. Start with Dear Me and write with kindness for 10 minutes. On day 2, give time to a friend. Call them and listen without advice for 5 minutes. On day 3, do one helpful task at home without being asked. On day 4, write a thank you note to a teacher, mentor, or family member. On day 5, plan a simple date with someone you love or with yourself. A walk, a picnic, a movie, or cooking. On day 6, learn something about love. Read a short article, watch a talk, or ask an older couple for their best advice. On day 7, rest. Take a slow bath, read, or sit in silence. Reflect on how you feel. This 1 week will open your heart and strengthen your skills. I want to share one more story, a quiet one. A boy named AJ visited his grandmother every Sunday. She made tea. He asked about her life. She told stories about her village, her school, her first job, her first love. AJ listened. He learned his family history. He felt rooted and strong. Years later, when his grandmother passed away, those Sundays became his most precious memory. This is love too. Simple, steady, and strong. Many times love is not loud. It is not dramatic. It is in the small, regular moments where two people meet and see each other clearly. As we close, I want you to speak with me. Put one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Now repeat after me in your own voice. I am worthy of love. I know how to give love. I am learning how to receive love. I can repair after mistakes. I can listen with care. I can speak with honesty. I can set kind boundaries. I can grow love day by day. Remember, love is not only something that happens to you. Love is something you practice, build, and share. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Say the kind word. Make the small call. Keep your promise. Apologize when you miss. Try again tomorrow. That is how love becomes real in your life. Thank you for spending this time with me at the English Speaking and Listening Club. Tell me in the comments, what is one small act of love you will do today? Share this video with someone who needs hope and clarity. Your heart is strong. Your words matter. Your actions matter. And your love can change a life starting with your own. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.